broken Jeep.
How long's it been since that thing's been out?
Months. It's been like
500 horse.
yeah, you did.
That thing's nasty. That thing, you put a set of fucking nose right there on it, dude. That thing will be nothing,
It's a
dude.
tweaked out Lightning engine.
Is that his lightning motor in there?
Yeah.
That's what he said.
Oh wow, look at
Like I said, I crawled up the hill till I got to
Put
where
a
lightning somewhere at 350. I'm sorry.
351 with GT40 head. Well, he bought another Lightning, and he took the engine out of it and had it all redone.
I have good luck with them. Usually when we go out and get the boggers, I make it right next to him.
That thing's nasty. That fucking truck. The Bronco? Yeah. That was nice.
Buy it now, $5 grand.
Yeah.
I won't bother with 3/4 ton.
They got any mud on you guys?
Well, the 3/4 ton 14 is the same in the back as a 1 ton.
I always have front end problems, not rear.
That was a good. Everybody likes V8s.
Quad. Then goes the quad.
Yeah. Hey, sexy. up,
Mr.
Ben?
Evan, what do you think of this situation?
I think it's fucking lovely. I think we did it up good tonight.
One broken truck.
One broken truck.
Truck is, oh, that one's not broken, but
Smacked up.
little mud.
A little mud. It's all good.
Mud on the tires.
It's all good. It's all
You
good.
got more mud on your truck than Chewy has on his door.